girls in the city. Here is our room service. We are finally here. Here, say hi, Aisha. Let's get sick. Yeah. I can take you to the first, second, third. Oh my. Hey guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Girly staycation.
I'm so excited.
Aisha's birthday week.
And we literally planned this yesterday, like so spontaneous.
Yeah, we did. In the evening as well.
Bags packed.
It don't even fit me, so I was like, Troy, you best wear that. I think you're gonna look bomb.com. We've got ourselves some drinks. Cheers, big. Wow, this looks so cool. This is a good shot. These buildings look so cool. Hey dudes! Amria is our favourite person. Everybody please say hello in the comments. But yeah, so we're going to Manchester. We're going to be staying at the Midland Hotel. Zainab is also with us. She's fun. Amria is coming too. Full-blown girls trip. So the first plan of action is to go to the spa. And then we're going to go out for dinner.
We're fancy.
Yes.
And Italian food.
Italian is our favourite.
I won't say too much because you guys are just going to have to wait and see. Otherwise you won't watch the rest of the video if we tell you right
Exactly. You can't spoil everything.
now. I'm so excited.
Me too. Okay, we'll see you guys when we're in Manchester. Hey guys, oh my gosh. So we have got to the Midland Hotel now. So I'm going to give you guys a room tour because the hotel is so cute. Okay, so the door. Aisha's over here. Say hi, Aisha.
Hi guys.
Yes, they've got a room service.
We can order pizza and dessert.
Oh my god, is
Brownie?
it 24? I hate when they do
We're
that.
going to be gone before it starts.
It is! Wait, this is the room. It's so cute. So we have 2 double beds over here. They're massive. And then look how it just looks so cute. And we've got like sofa here. Sofa here. These windows are so big. Like they're humongous. Here we have the TV. Over here we have the... What the flip? Oh my god.
That's the most British thing I've ever seen.
In my life.
1 million cups of English breakfast tea. That's my
That is
favourite.
so funny. No, literally. And they have like a whole free station, innit?
For the rooms, but we need to ask her because she said there'd be rooms, but there are no rooms.
Maybe just the wardrobe. So she even get an iron, which is wicked. Stuff in the bathroom. This is the bathroom mirror, and then some LMS product. And the bathroom's okay, but the hotel is really cute. We're just waiting on Miriam now, but we're gonna hop into town and go grab some stuff, get some eyelashes. But it's good that we're in central Manchester, so we can just do it.
Our stage is over
6:30. What time is it now?
5:30.
Is it?
Yeah, 5:30. Yeah.
That's not bad. It is Aisha's birthday, by the way,
I'm
guys.
so
It's her
excited.
birthday week, so go wish her a happy birthday.
Oh, that's so cute, man.
No,
I'm
of course.
so excited. I'm actually so excited.
I'm so excited. We literally just planned this last night.
We're
so spontaneous. In it. Literally can't ever do anything like 10 months in advance. Even 1 month in advance is always
No, but we pulled this
the day
off
before.
in half a day. And
Literally.
it's such a nice room. And
It
it's
is.
such a nice hotel. And like
It
5
is.
of us literally like we were just available.
Yay! I'm so.
It's like marble everywhere.
It's so cute. So fantastic on a girls' holiday.
I think
We'd
we
have
should
so
do it.
much fun in it. This is like our test.
This is like the way we're like testing it.
Yeah.
Seeing if today goes well. If today goes well,
It
we're
will
just
go
booking
well,
it.
inshallah.
I think we should book
To
it.
find Zainab's room because she said her room looks better than ours.
DJI.
Too many holidays.
I don't know when this is gonna go.
After Aisha's birthday.
Guys. It'll go up sometime.
Make sure you guys subscribe to Aisha's YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel because we love filming YouTube videos for you.
And to be honest, we're probably going to be together in a lot of videos as well.
Mm-hmm.
This
You
is
know.
where we came.
Yeah, I think this is it. Let's have a knock. Imagine it's somebody else's door. It's me!
Yeah.
I can take you to the first, second, third. Oh my god, it's a door to a door. Yeah, this is so sick. This is just actually so sick. You guys can send me your videos because. Wow.
We don't even need to have a second room, man.
Innit? No, but we wouldn't be able to. Oh wait, one person can sleep on the sofa. This is what it looks like. You look like this.
red bag?
Yeah. Okay. I got my red bag. Zainab said to me, she basically said we look like this, but then when we come back down later, we're gonna look so nice.
Yeah, they won't recognise us.
I know, just look completely different people. Stayed here before. I've stayed in the Edwardian.
I think you'll be back.
Yeah, I'll be back. Actually, you go. My turn. We outside. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Girls in the city. Girls in the city. Protein shop. 200 degrees. Do you think coffee here will be nice? Yeah. Let's see what we can find. She just said that this looks like such a clean, organised Primark because in Bradford it just isn't like that. It is not like that. If I can fit in there, my husband buys it for me because look at the size of that. I can fit loads in there.
You should buy that anyway and just take it with you. Not a handheld mirror.
No. If they have a handheld, it just shows how the lashes look like on your eye from this. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Right, I'm trying to find a handheld mirror. To Arndale now because there's nothing in Primark. Can't find anything that we need, so we've come to Millie's Cookies.
Yeah. Oh, there's a dog and he's really cute. Wow.
Believe, because it's your birthday.
Yeah. We're going big, guys.
Yes.
Eating my cookie. Whilst I wait for Zainab and the rest. It's so good. It's my favourite cookie ever.
Here is our room service. We're just too hungry, so we're gonna have some. We're gonna eat some. Hi Maria.
I'm finally here. I missed the spot.
It's okay. I can't be asked.
Guys, we're out in no makeup, skincare only. I've got my flip flops on. I'm not going to show you my toes. I'm telling you. I've got my flip flops on. And I'm in my night clothes and we're going out. And I'm so happy that I'm in my night clothes.
We decided to like go out to eat and just
go out in our PJs.
Yeah.
Well, they're in their clothes.
This is
This is the best thing I could have done for my birthday ever.
It's so funny. This is so funny. It reminds me of Harry Potter when they go through 9 3/4.
It would be so nice for a picture.
Yes, it would. What do you call
Oh,
it?
I like
Gimbal.
this.
It's a gimbal.
Hold on a second. Wait a damn minute. How do I press record?
It literally is. It's called nice and out.
Oh.
Yeah, it's
Hi guys. So today we're in Cuba. Cuba.
I'm gonna TikTok up because my bad Mitchell had to say hello.
Aisha. Hi. We're gonna get some food and then we're gonna go back to our hotel.
Tell me about it.
Hey, and that's the food. Yummy.
Yeah, we just got a drink for the bottle.
Please, everyone share with me. I'm sorry, you're making it.
Okay. Oh shoot. Powder all over it.
This is reminding me of I ordered myself a tiramisu and everybody else got proper food, but I'm not that hungry, so the room service was good. What the room service? Hey guys, welcome back. It's a different day now and I've had sinus issues, so I've been ill this whole time. Operation, clean the car. I've never cleaned a car before, so
We're not doing a proper wash.
yeah, but
We're
we
just
haven't.
gonna do a quick rinse.
It's on. Got the pipe. This thing. Okay. Well, as you can see, Ali's struggling out there because Jabaz has tangled it up, so he's untangling it. So I think it's working, guys. Whoa! Why did it?
Don't do it in the car yet.
No, I didn't. Look at my sandals, guys. Let's get pretty thick. Yeah.
What?
Yeah. It just rained now, then there was no bug. I don't think I should walk over there. Oh!
No, I'm not gonna do it all though.
It was just a quick wash that I did, but it looks so cute and clean. Oh, you can see me here. Let me know in the comments if you think Ali should open up his own car wash. It looks so shiny, you can literally see the clouds. Guys, welcome back to the vlog. I haven't vlogged since the day that we went out for Aisha's birthday because I got so sick. I'm still recovering. I've literally, my sinusitis has vanished, so they've put me back on medication for it. It's great. Which is not what I wanted to hear right now, but it's okay. I mean, I guess the infection is clearing up. But yeah, every time I get ill, my sinusitis comes back. Does anybody else have this problem? If you guys have solved it, please let me know what you did and how you did it. Make sure you guys subscribe and like and comment and let me know what you guys want to see more of on this channel. I'm going to show you guys what I basically got I ordered some things, so I thought I'd unbox. I've actually been getting like quite a bit of PR, so like I thought like let me unbox it. I think this is mine. Yeah, it is. Okay, let's open them. I actually ordered some things from MAC because they're on TikTok shop now, which is so great. That's what it looks like inside. I think the deal was good. I think it was like £28, you get 3 products. I have another wedding event to go to. So many weddings going on. So I got this lipstick in Velvet Teddy. I don't know, I don't think I've got Velvet Teddy. I don't know what the name is, but this is Velvet Teddy. I love MAC's packaging on their products, and it's like just like this pinkish nude swatch. Let's do a little swatch. Oh, that's nice. I'd be more experimental with my lipstick colours because I just try the same every time. Got Spice lip liner. This used to be like, you know, my Kylie Jenner's lip combo that everyone used to be obsessed with. Spice lip liner. And then I'm just gonna swatch that down now. That is such a good combo though, these two together. And I've got the MAC mascara, and I've actually used this before. And do you know, one time I actually did a collab with MAC, and it was not this mascara. Actually, I don't know if it was this one, but it looks pretty similar. But it was really good, so I thought I'd order because I actually just be wearing mascara on this. But I know that MAC's mascaras are good, so I'll dash it in the bin because otherwise my room, I end up with so many parcels. This vlog is so chill because, oh yeah, I forgot to mention when we went out the other day, we actually didn't end up going out of the hotel, and we stayed in the hotel the whole time. I had the best time. We went out to grab some food, but it was just so fun. Like, I've never done that before. I feel like we really used the hotel to its advantage, and that room service was so good, and the chicken was actually halal, so that was great. And we ate so much, and we literally just relaxed, and I feel like the spa took it out of us. I forgot to put any clips of the spa in, but the spa took it out of us. We only lasted for 45 minutes in there. But happy birthday to Aisha, and I think that when she's back, we're obviously going to go for a proper meal because we just wanted to chill. So yeah, anyways,